Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. It is Wednesday today. It's a beautiful day. We're gonna go for a long walk in a little while. I want to vlog all throughout the day. I also got these spice jars off of Amazon and they're just like clear jars, but they're so like aesthetically pleasing. So I want to take most of our spices and put them in there. I'm wearing tie-dye today, sweatshirt and biker shorts. But it's honestly so warm that I'm probably not gonna wear this sweatshirt. And I am getting my hair done tomorrow, thank the gods. So I straighten my hair just because I feel like it's gonna be easier to actually highlight hair when it's straight. But I can't wait because this is so dark. So I'm really excited about my hair tomorrow. And also, thank you to Scentbird for sponsoring this video. I've worked with them so many times in the past, and I feel like all I use for fragrances is Scentbird. So I have 4 to share with you guys. They come in really super cute cases. I love these colors. So this first one is a really pretty mint teal, and you just slide this up. And this one is called Bitch Please. It's from Confessions of a Rebel. And this one smells really good. It smells similar to like a Chanel fragrance. That's the best way I can describe it. It smells very fancy. So I really like this one. Scentbird is $14.95 a month, but I do have a coupon code that will give you 30% off your first month, and I'll put it down below. This next one is pink, and it is Bella Blanca Oscar de la Renta. This one is hard for me to smell. This one smells very like florally. It's like lightweight and florally. It's definitely a pretty like summer scent. So really like that one too. This next one is hot pink. And this one is Oula Rouge from Christian Siriano. I feel like I'm gonna spray all of these on me. Oh, this one is so sweet to me. This one reminds me of Good Girl from Carolina Herrera. It smells very sweet. Definitely similar scent. I really like this one as well. And then the last one is in an orange container. And this one is Nest Sunkissed Hibiscus, which I have had and I love this one. Definitely like a tropical fruity one. So you can see how much you have in here, but it is a 30-day supply. And like I said, I'm gonna link it down below for you guys if you wanna test it out. There's so many different fragrances to choose from. I think there's over 450, so it's a crazy amount. There's Versace, there's Pink Sugar, which is another one of my favorite scents. So I'll link it down below if you guys haven't tried it. And let's go on with our day. So this is my drawer filled with Scentbird, and I'm just gonna add my other ones. They're all so pretty and so aesthetically pleasing. Definitely like summery and bright and vibrant. I think this one is Scott's, but they're so nice. They do have men's fragrance as well as women's. Also, thank you so much to It Cosmetics for sending over this package to me. I got this yesterday in the mail, and I don't think I've gotten a package from It Cosmetics in like a year now, but I got their CC cream, which I actually really love. I use it every summer. I use it in the shade light medium, but they sent me a few shades, and then they sent me the Your Skin But Better setting spray, which I've never tried, and then a double-ended brush. So thank you so much. This CC cream is definitely my favorite. It's very full coverage and it's SPF 50, so I love it for the summertime. So I got that from them. And then look at all of these beautiful clothes. I'm gonna take a couple of pictures on my Instagram, but a company sent these to me, and it's Shop Aura Boutique. I'm gonna link it down below if you guys are interested, but look at how pretty some of these things are. This peach top, I love this. You guys know my Instagram theme, and this is exactly my theme, like blue and orange and peach. So I can't wait to wear this dress. I have some biker shorts, jeans. Unfortunately, my button legs are too big, so they don't fit in these jeans. But I have this hat, really cute, these earrings, another dress, just like really pretty items. So you guys will see these on my Instagram a little bit more. But yeah, I just wanted to share how pretty they are. We're about to head out for our walk, and I'm just wearing my lavender tie-dye top with my lavender biker shorts and mauve lavender sneakers. My legs also got pretty tan yesterday. I was sitting outside in the sun. And I'm wearing one lavender sock. The other one does not match as usual. But this is my outfit for the day. and I'm going to try and enjoy outside as much. So we just got back from our walk. I think for lunch today, I'm just gonna make a smoothie because I had a bagel for breakfast. I feel like that was pretty heavy. So I'm gonna do strawberries, or I could do blueberries, or I could do antioxidant blend. I think I wanna do the blend today. So this has strawberries, dark sweet cherries, pomegranate, blueberries, and raspberries. So I think I'm gonna make this with a little bit of milk and maybe some protein powder. And I still need to do spin today. So first I'm just gonna make a smoothie. All right, so this is my smoothie. So it has the antioxidant blend, and then I added more blueberries. I added half a banana, cinnamon, and then almond milk. So I'm just gonna have this for my lunch today, and then I'm gonna start doing the spice jars and organizing all that. So this is our next project of the day. I really want to organize all of these. This is like a sliding out rack. I think my mom got it from like Walmart or Amazon. You can get it either or. But we have all these spices here. They're not organized. They're just kind of cluttered. And a lot of them I actually can't put into the other containers because they have like the grinder. So I'm not going to be able to put like these in there. But I do have a lot that I can put into different containers. So I'm going to take what I can out, and I'll show you guys the little glass jars that I got. All right, so these are the jars that I got. I think they were 12 jars for $20 on Amazon. I'll link them down below, but I like it because it does have the sifter, and it came with this, so I can easily put the spices in these jars. And then it also came with these labels to make it really fun and easy. I do have a label maker though, so I probably am gonna just do my own labels for it. But these are all the spices. I actually don't have too many. Scott loves his paprika, so we have 4, which I didn't even know. So we have paprika, cinnamon, need another crushed pepper, chipotle, more chipotle, everything but the bagel. So I'm just gonna start putting some of them in here, and I actually feel like we need more spices now. Okay, so this is what the paprika looks like. I like it so much better in this glass container. And I'm just using my label maker and printing out some labels. So the first one that I did looks like this, but I thought it was a little too big. So I made it a little bit smaller, and I have a hot pink tape. So I'm just gonna cut this and put it right there, and then I'm gonna do the same thing for my other spices. I really wish I had more spices, but I don't. So I'm just gonna start cutting this and making it pretty. All right, so I just put all of my spices that I had in these jars, and then I put hot pink labels on them, and I think it looks so cute. Definitely need to get a couple more spices, and then we need to get more crushed red and chipotle, but I think it looks really nice. So I'm just going to wipe down that area that I showed you guys and organize these. All right, and this is the after. So I put all the spices right there, and I cleaned this because it was pretty dusty. We have the vitamins up top, and I didn't really organize too much down there. I made it a little bit neater, but mainly I was focusing on this shelf. So I think it looks so much better. All right, so it's much later. It's like 4 o'clock right now. I'm starving already. We eat dinner very early, like 4:30, 5 o'clock. And tonight we're having Mexican street tacos, which sounds so freaking good, from HelloFresh. Anything that's like Mexican food is my favorite. So like nachos, tacos, burritos, literally anything, like quesadillas, so good. So I'm so excited for Mexican street tacos tonight. But I decided to wrap a couple of Angie's gifts because we're doing a gift swap. So I have this paper that I showed you guys in my last vlog. This is from Target, but it's like a floral print on a light blue background. I think this is so pretty. So I'm just gonna wrap a couple of her gifts. I'm not gonna show you guys because I don't wanna spoil it in case she's watching. Also, I wanted to share this Kevyn Aucoin foundation balm is so freaking nice. That's what I'm wearing today, and it makes your face look so smooth. So this is what it looks like. I have it in the shade medium, but it's like a balm that literally, like, you swipe the brush and it literally swipes away any imperfections, and pores are completely gone. So I've been loving this. I've only used it for the last week since I've had it, but I do really, really like it. And I also really like applying it with this brush. I'm usually a beauty blender person, but this brush makes everything look so flawless. So I'll link this down below. I got this free for review from Aucoin and Kevin Aucoin, but so far I really do like it. I just feel like everything looks so airbrushed. So I got that. Now I'm going to wrap a couple gifts and I'll show you guys what it looks like after all right, so I just wrapped 2 of her gifts. I am the worst wrapper. I have really bad handwriting and I also am the worst freaking wrapper. Like, what is that? Like around Christmas time? It's rough. But this one came out pretty decent. So I have 2 of her gifts right here. I still need to get a couple more things, and then a couple more things are coming in the mail. So I'm really excited about this gift swap. Should be up sometime in June because we're sending them out the first week of June. But yeah, we're doing like a girly quarantine gift swap and I'm so excited. But for now, I think I'm just gonna pick up and then we're gonna start making food. Scott always makes the food, so we're gonna start making that, and I'm just really excited for Mexican street tacos. I've been snacking on these. These are so good. Coconut clusters, got them from Amazon if you guys watch my video. But wow, they're really good. So I'm just munching on these, but tired, babe? But this is what we're making. So Mexican pork and street corn tacos. Doesn't that look so good? So it's gonna take 35 minutes total, 940 calories. Yikes. Kind of a lot, but we're just gonna make this and I'll show you guys what it looks like once it's made. All right, this is the finished product. It looks so good. And we're gonna watch Money Heist while we eat. My goodness. Are we having an afternoon nap? Oh, you're so sweet. If you guys follow me on TikTok, I did a whipped cream challenge. Oops, he knows the words. Oh, not right now, in a little bit, I'm sorry. We did like a challenge where I left the room to see if he would touch it. And he was so good. You were so good. Also, I need to get him a new tick collar because this one is from last year and it's starting to wear off, right? Yeah. And say I'm getting groomed next week. I'm going to be so nice and have a nice bath and haircut. Whoa. Okay, I disturbed you. Alright, since I'm getting my hair done tomorrow, I want to put together a little gift bag for my hairdresser because I like doing that. Plus, it was her birthday a couple days ago or yesterday, so I'm just going to do a few things since these are all new and extra that I just don't need. So I'm going to put together a bag for her. I'm trying to think of what she would like. She'd probably like brushes, right? Do brushes. We could do Pixie. Pixie's always a good choice. We could do Milani. It's a good one, little set. This highlighter is so good. Mary Luminizer. So we'll do that. Let's give her these gummies too. Gummies, I have so many of these gummies. Ooh, let's do a lip color. I don't know if she would wear red. Let me see if there's anything else. We could do one of these. Some CoverGirl. What is it, sweets? Are you trying to get by me? Well, excuse you. Excuse you. How about mist? Let's do this. Pixie Glow Mist. I think she would like that. I'm gonna do Glow Tonic. I have a lot of Pixie too. Let's just hook her up. I don't know if she wears shadow, but I feel like she probably does. So I'm gonna do this too. So I'm gonna put that together for her because she's always so sweet to me. I think that's all I want to do for now. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna put all of this in a little bag and make it cute. Alright, the outside of the bag is a little bit busted, but I put really pretty tissue paper inside, and I think I'm just gonna write her name in cursive right here. So I think this will be a nice little surprise. I feel like this bag looks so busted though. All right, so it's the end of the day and I'm going to edit, getting a little bit shiny now. I'm gonna edit this vlog, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will link Scentbird down below in the description box and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.